All right, guys, so I got cut off because I ran out of space on the iPad. So we're going to back up and we're going to talk about the next section real quick of Escape from the Deep. This is at 25, where we start having these little eighth note things going on with flute, oboe, and clarinet. Make sure that you guys are paying attention to the accidentals. Remember the rule that an accidental goes all the way through the measure. So if it's on beat 2, it's also going to be on the and of 3 if it's the same note. Clarinets down here, you're going to see we have B flat, and the second one on beat 4 is also B flat, and then G sharp carries all the way through the bar line as well. Mark them. If you are one that has trouble remembering accidentals, make sure that you mark it, guys. So the other thing is right here, clarinets are doing tia, where everybody else is ta-ta-ta, ta-ta-ta, dia, dia, dia. It's like you're sneaking in on the underside. So watch that articulation and make sure that you are practicing keeping it nice and tight together, whether you're the staccato or whether you're the slur. All right, we're looking ahead. At 33, our trumpets come in and we finally have an actual melody. This is what it sounds like. And they're sneaking in, and the water's rushing into the submarine. I guess that would be what's happening right here. You can choose what you want. Low brass, you've got to be real careful because where you play is changing. You've got 1, 3, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and. Now when we go to the next page, you're going to play on 3, and then have 3, and. Those are going to change. Some of you are playing repeated notes like the D's and the trombones. Second trombones, you're going G to A flat. Make sure we find that A flat. We tend to struggle with A flats and E flats, right? And then in measure 40, if you have those staccato quarter notes versus the marcato quarter notes, which are those, right? Versus the accented quarter notes, we've got to make the difference in the sound. So tubas are really heavy on the front, where the repeated baritone, trombone, tenor, sax notes are short, almost like eighth note, eighth rest, right? And then the melody people in trumpet land are all accents, nice and big and heavy. So trumpets, I'm going to start 4 before 41 for us. That's that melody there. Now seconds, you actually have a much cooler part than first do. Make sure that you remember that the accidentals go all the way through the bar line again. It's the same thing. Make sure you've marked accidentals in here, guys. That's going to be the difference. You see highlighted crescendo, poco a poco, so a little bit by little bit we're going to get louder. So in order for that to happen, this has got to be soft. So 4 before 41, we should go ahead and write in a mezzo piano. Put it down. Whoop, not with that. No highlighters. I'm going to put a mezzo piano down here and a mezzo piano up here, so I see both of them in my score to remind us that we have to get soft in order for us to get loud. Okay? Guys, when you get ready to practice this section, you're going to want to jump into it. You're going to want to play it right at 158. You're not going to be able to start it right at 158 and play it accurately. I expect you to slow it down, maybe 110, 120, slow it down, get the right notes, get the right rhythms, and then gradually speed it up. You should not jump from 120 to 158. It needs to be clean, and that's just going to take practicing with the metronome, moving at 8 to 10 clicks at a time, okay? Good luck. Have fun practicing this song. I cannot wait to hear you guys play it.